Speaking practice. At a construction site. I say red, and you say yellow. Hey, good morning. What's the plan for today? Okay, sounds like a busy day. Do we have enough materials to get everything done? That's good news. How's the progress on the framing for the upper floors? Great. What about the inspections? Have we passed all of them so far? All right, let's keep up the good work and make sure everything is up to code. Safety is always a top priority. That's what I like to hear. Let's get to work and finish everything on schedule.